I'm going to a chicken farm. This is a time lapse of me going. Gummies. Sophia, can I have one? Never mind. Look, she's watching my videos. Look, she's watching my videos. I make good videos, right? What? Sophia, say hi.
Hi.
She said hi, you too. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, you heard her. Like and subscribe, guys.
Ben, why are you recording for?
For my video. Jenna, say hi to YouTube.
Hi. I'm watching Ben YouTube.
Don't say my name. You know my name now.
Oh, ow.
Say my name is Annie Farm.
I mean, her name's Abby Farm. Yeah, her name's Abby Farm.
Annie Farm.
Abby Farm. This looks like girl name.
That's my YouTube name.
Yeah, that's her YouTube name.
I never think of a lot.
I know. Because something is Ben, my friend. So
No, she's my cousin. I'm your cousin.
no, different Ben.
Oh, the old one?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, the one I dropped, right?
in my classroom.
Oh, there's another bunny in the classroom?
Yeah, in my classroom. She's in second grade.
This is part one. I'm going to make a part
Gummy
two because
bear.
the YouTube is too long. Oh, my God.